Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make sushi. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this torch right here and I'm going to be torching some fish right here. Now I'm going to be making dragon rolls with this torch. This torch is usually used for lighting backwoods, if you like backwoods, I guess. So after I do that, I'm going to take some sushi rice and some seaweed. I'm going to place the seaweed flat on the table and then take some sushi rice, which I cooked already, and then even it over the entire piece of seaweed. And so after I've done that, I'm going to flip over the seaweed and rice, and then I'm going to take some crab mixture right here. I'm just going to take a scoop of that with my hands right there and place it on top of the seaweed, just like this. Now this crab mixture is fresh crab with a little bit of mixture to it. If that makes any sense, probably doesn't, but I sound good, right? Then I'm going to take some cucumber, however you want to say it, and it's been sliced. And I'm going to place this along the edge of the mat right here. Do you see that? I'm placing on there. Then I'm going to take a little bit more because I ran out and place that on top of it. Then I'm going to cut up some avocado. All right, so I already have it pre-sliced in half. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that avocado and then I'm going to take my avocado knife and then I'm going to get small slices of avocado and I'm going to place the avocado in on the other end of the sushi, just like that. All right, do you see that? And then I'm going to take the sushi roller with, it has saran wrap on it, and I'm going to use that to prep the rollation of the sushi right there. Do you see that? So I'm taking the sushi wrapper roller, and then I'm actually forming the sushi. All right, so after I form the sushi, I'm going to take that charred fish that I used with the backwoods lighter, and then I'm going to place it on top, and then I'm going to take some more avocado and place that between the slices of fish that I have charred. All right, so now that I've done that, I'm going to take some more saran wrap, place that on top, then get the sushi roller and then just simply shape the sushi in the shape that I want to, pressing down on the fish and the avocado. And then once I do that, I'm going to take my knife and then I'm going to slice the sushi into slices which are going to be a good size for picking it up with chopsticks. Okay, so I'm going to keep on slicing it like that. And once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and take the roller again with the saran wrap, and I'm going to shape it a little bit more because when you slice it with the knife, it actually comes apart a little bit, and you're going to have to put it back together a little bit using the sushi roller. Okay, so I'm going to wipe it down because a lot of the stickiness from the rice can gather up on it. So once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and place the sushi on the serving tray just like this. You see this? This is a black stoned sushi tray. And I'm going to place this on top. And I'm going to add a bit of that green stuff, okay? A lot of people call that wasabi. All right, so I'm going to place some wasabi on the corner of the serving tray, the stone serving tray. And after I do that, I'm going to simply go ahead and put a little bit of this sauce, hoisin sauce on top, a little bit of sweet sauce, whatever it is. Place it on that and then put a little bit of ginger and look at that. Look at that. Look at the sushi, the dragon roll. Yeah, it looks good. You see all of the ingredients on there, the avocado, the fish, the rice, the sauce. Only thing I can say about this, absolute goodness if you ask me. Absolute goodness.